Hold on now. I'm almost done with the toilet seat. Ma, calm down. You are embarrassing yourself. Should have just hold the urine and this thing now. I'm almost done with the toilet seat, man. You don't pee on the floor.
It's not pee.
Man, this is now. I'm sorry. I was almost done so that you can use that floor. Or you should have used the bedroom, so that you can now flush. Now you are peeing on the floor now.
Sorry. It's not pee. It's squirt.
And you're taking off your pants.
Yeah. It's not pee. It's squirt.
Man, squid how?
Yeah. You are so cute. You're a fine boy.
So what does that have to do with you peeing on the floor? Oh, now why are you shaking now? I'm here to do. Let me finish the work so that I can go. I don't want to have issue with your husband.
See, I can't hold myself anymore. Seeing you alone, see what it has cost.
What is this?
It's squirt. It's not pee. It's not pee.
It's not smelling.
It's not pee. I'm telling you the truth. Just touch me. Oh, touch me.
What? So you squint? You do squint? No. Ma, please, so I don't want to do anything in your husband's house, please. Ma, don't wait, no. Please. Hold on, okay. What do you want me to do?
Touch me.
Okay. Ma, you know you pray for this.
Don't worry, anything. I'll pay you.
Ma, go and bring money. Go inside and bring money. Go and bring money.
Where's my phone?
Just back. It's not smelling. It's not smelling.
Oh my God. How much do you want? How much? How much?
Okay, I'm coming. Let me pick up my. Hold on. Okay, let's go to the room. Okay, do it so that you knock back and squirt in this thing. Ma, hold on. Give me my drink. Ma, hold on. Hiya, ma, hold on. Don't pay again. Let me
Call me.
hold on. Let me put my thing.
It's coming.
Ma, let me get protection from my working suits. Let me.
Please, let me.
No, let me do my. I'm not ready. Let me do my protection. My husband is coming up.